Are you looking to extend the service life of your single-ply membrane roof? Meet the EverrSilic Roof Restoration System, the smart solution to prolong your TPO, PVC, or EPDM roof. After verifying the roof assembly is intact and the insulation is dry, the roof is primed and all seams and penetrations are sealed. The high solids silicone can be spray applied in a single layer directly over your primed membrane roof. No expensive tear-offs, no messy debris, and no costly code upgrades. This high-performance system features a single-component silicone polymer, providing up to 20 years of protection with a single application. EverrSilic provides superior ponding resistance and excellent adhesion to a variety of surfaces, ensuring your roof stays protected in any weather, including cold and wet climates. Silicone polymer is a Title 24 compliant and Miami-Dade approved UV-resistant roof coating, helping to lower internal temperatures and prolong your roof's life. EverrSilic Silicone Roof Restoration System, protecting your investment, extending your single-ply service life, and delivering peace of mind.